Hey guys, sorry it's super dark in here, and I'm talking super quietly, but that's because no one in my house is awake because it's 12:30, and that's when I'm productive. The only thing I'm using for lighting right now are the two lamps beside me, my phone flashlight. Check this out. The TV, just watching Bob's Burgers without any sound. The subwoofer is still on though, so every once in a while I just get blasted in the face with. So, welcome to my house. This is the first video that I've made where I'm not in my dorm room and I'm actually at my house. No more roommates, but I do have 3 housemates that I now live with. So, you do the math. I don't have a story for you today. I'm sorry, but I'm just gonna talk at you. I'm gonna just do my best, kind of off script, off the rail. Not off the rails. What's going on? No, I don't want new iTunes. Get out. See, I'm already off the rails. Yeah. So no story, but I hope that doesn't mean that less people will watch this. So instead of new story title, I'll probably instead have to put a title like me talking about interesting things like puppies and babies. I've been home for about 3 weeks, and I have to say, I have been so bored. I have all this free time, even with a job, even with a part-time job. I have so much free time. I know a part-time job it's not that much, but whatever. I have so much free time. I don't know what to do with myself. When I was at school, I had no free time because I was doing school full-time and working part-time. I had no days off until I got any breaks. And all that I ever wanted in that time, in that semester, was just a day off where I could do absolutely nothing. I wanted to do. Oh, the TV went off. It's back. I had so many things I could do. I had my band, all these great friends. It was just going 100% all the time. And while these things aren't bad, it was too much. Okay, I gotta say, it was too much, and I just wanted a little less. Don't get me wrong, I love being in a band, music, and friends, and my job, but there came a point where it was too much, it was too stressful, but I stuck it out till the semester was over. Here I am. All that I want is something to do, someone to hang out with, because none of my friends are here yet. It will be soon. And I'm in this kind of place right now where I got called off work today. I got called off work Wednesday. I don't have anything to do that I have to get done for pretty much since I've been home, but mostly this week especially. I wish that I could really enjoy this alone time for like what it really is. Because now that I have all this alone time and this free time, I'm sort of taking it for granted. When I'm busy, I don't want to do anything. And when I don't have anything to do, I want to be busy. I hope this is not just me just blabbering on about nothing. People have probably clicked away multiple times by now. I'm sure of it. Hey, if you're still here, thank you.